Lumenia ERP Head-to-Head event brings together 14 ERP solutions and partners, additional complementary software solutions, thought leadership presentations on good practice and panel discussions. Good morning, you're very welcome to the 11th annual ERP Head-to-Head event and the first one here in Birmingham. For organisations planning an ERP replacement or transformation, it's an invaluable opportunity to immerse yourselves in all things ERP for 2 days. It's great to see so many organisations energised as they embark on their ERP journeys.